Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're doing a mystery bag. This one is pop culture blind bag. Now this says it comes with $25 worth of pop culture toys and collectibles, but we paid $9.99 for it. So I'm really excited to see what this is. We've done all types of like horror movies and superheroes, all these different blind bags made by the same company. We've done Chucky and what's the other one? Sonic, but we've never seen a pop culture one. So we're going to get right into this. I'm quite curious to see what's in here because it's going to be totally rad, dudes. Let's go. There's our little thing to pull. Ew, what is this? It's rubbery. Ew, we got a shark. Jaws? What is this? We got a Jaws shark. I can't even call it a mold because it doesn't even, yeah, honestly, not sure what this is. Not sure what it's going to be used for. Maybe I don't even think it would suction cup anything. But, I mean, it's neat. I mean, Jaws is an awesome, timeless classic. So, see if we can't, like, really focus on there for y'all. Yeah. If you have any idea what this is and what it's used for, you can put it in the comments and I'll always appreciate it. So yeah, we are going to start off with a shark. All right, that's number one. All right, number two, let's see. Oh, there's a couple things in here. G.I. Joe. Ooh, it's a bottle opener. All right, bottle opener, totally rad. Okay, we're going with the totally rad theme here. Let's see what this is. It's a pack of cards? Okay, no, I don't know what I'm doing. All right. Well, I don't know what this is. What does this go to, guys? Playing cards. Die Hard. Oh, yeah, it's a little bit before my time. Don't want to show my age, but that is a little bit before my time. Oh, what's it say? 19. Oh, my goodness. Could you please focus? 1988. Oh, that's really cool, especially if you're a Die Hard fan. I mostly know Die Hard from Rick and Morty. I'm sure y'all seen that episode. Do it, Die Hard. Okay, so there's that. Pretty cool. What's this? Loot crate. Oh, Ninja Turtles! What? Oh, there he is. Okay, so cute. Look, there's a little baby turtle before he became a ninja. Well, I guess he's like morphin because he does have the thing on there. So yeah, Nickelodeon, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. So that's neat. We got some like 80s stuff, some 90s. I guess if it's Nickelodeon, that's more like the 90s, right? Really neat. 2019 is the date on that. So cool. Okay. Oh, that's it, guys. That was all. That's what we got in our pop culture blind bag. I'm happy with it. Other than the Jaws thing, I'm a little confused as to what it is and what it does. I mean, other than that, I think the other stuff we got was pretty neat. So what do you think? Would you have bought this for $9.99 knowing what was inside of there? Thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments what you think. Catch y'all next time. Bye.